activities.
Picture ka karon ganin mi.
Row, row, row your boat. Abi ko makadto kita sa Taytay. Okay.
Ako na ni mama ni ganin.
Malibot kita dito sa may island nga ina oh.
Kalibot ta dyan.
Oh, sa edge eh, dira oh. Hi, I'm Captain Keenan and I'm the captain of the SS Awesome, and we're trying to navigate this man-made lake because we are awesome, just like our boat says. Alright, so here it is. The edge of Lake Mambukal. We're almost there. And we're almost there. I'm sorry if we're too slow. We have a bunch of amateur. Hey, where are we going? Halog-halog na kalo mo na man. And I'm the captain of this ship. And I'm a pretty good captain because we were crappy at first. But when I took the reins as captain, we made progress, great progress. We were able to move once I took reins as captain. Okay, left, right. Ari na gid video, okay, so okay, panisang sa picture. Left, right, left, right. P.S. The SS Awesome is a modern version of a Greek trireme. Or, huh? The edge of the lake.
Forward, gamay. Forward, gamay.
Kung diri ka abuton sing pala mas unon mo sa tunga.
Maneuver.
Okay, liko team. Hindi kita ni pwede ka intra sa Dragon Boat team. And nanay sa tani sa piyak mo nga side.
Kaya ko gani eh. Nawa ko lang gani nga maneuver.
Yeah, okay ma. We just hit the edge. We just run aground. Uy, may fish. Mga fry. We have yet to see any signs of life. Paano mo ni palikon? Nanay, ginap sa piyak. Opposite side. Opposite side. Tani, kay dire kita maliko, oh. Paatras sa. Too late.
Sige, sige lang.
Tanigin, sige mo na lang.
Okay. Napipikapan. Kapang-isda. Sige ron.
Nice shoes. Uy, no. And there's... And apparently there's a waterfall in this lake. But... How many ka nung Ensing World? Nanay, piyak na side. Patras. Okay. Tingnan isda, oy man kakadagdag, no? Pwede na ibutangan salmon. Nanay, hindi maprino siya. We are a bunch of crappy boaters.
We're a bunch of crappy boaters.
But it's okay.
We don't know how to row.
The captain is awesome anyway.
Down, Lemon.
Yes.
Row. No power anymore.
What if that dude falls on the lake? Sige. Come on. Heave ho! I am so posting this on Facebook.
Okay.
Ooh, shallow part.
Kung nagid nga pamangkot ni Mark sa sa tao nga nagabantay. May crocodile na. Iginapit ko ba sige crocodile. Oh, hindi mo ito na.
Focus! Kung totoo, di nga barko, dugay na tayo nadulunod.
Kung may crocodile, kanto na siya sa mga ano. Gamon siya, wala nga daan. Gamon ba?
Pulutan. Ang ilang nga mga isda diri sa pond, puro man lang mga,
Kimberly.
hindi, mga para sa aquarium. Tani ko nga, exotic man ang tani nga isda din. Kinakanday.
Kapuya na po sa
Or ba si up ng 30 minutes? Hapit, tadabi man katuto kami pila pa ka time. Aras la galeo. Tiyo, ang our last task is to dock our boat.
Picture, tanan din.
We are trying to dock the boat,
Naning steady, tanan niya.
which is something easier said than done. Because like I said, we're amateur boaters and we suck. We suck big time.
Ano na ikaw, di man yung gara na yun.
And apparently my crew wants me, the captain, to photograph them. Which I consider insubordination.
Not really. It's not ano. Picture kami ko na. Shell! 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 Mama mo? Shell!
We are trying to successfully dock this stupid boat. Wait. Sige. And we are being I think and we safely docked the boat thanks to Captain Keenan.
Wow! Kapoy, magaling mang isda, no?
You can see here pretty butterflies flying, soaring. And I don't think you can see it in this video. You can see here the chrysalis or the pupa.
Ay, hindi kayo. Idwala na.